It is with great pleasure and honor that I warmly welcome you to the Republic of Somaliland, Mr. Minister. Your visit carries historic significance and marks an important milestone in evolving relationship between the Republic of Somaliland and the State of Israel. It reflects not only political recognition, but also a shared commitment to transform that recognition into a substantive, forward-looking and strategic partnership. Somaliland values this partnership highly and approaches it with clarity of purpose and long-term vision. We are committed to building a strategic relationship with Israel that is mutually beneficial and grounded in cooperation across political, security, economic, and development domains. We see this partnership not as a symbolic, but as practical, institutional, and result-oriented, one that contributes to stability, prosperity, and shared interest. Your presence here today demonstrates leadership, confidence in the future of our relations. It sends a strong message that Somaliland and Israel are ready to deepen engagement and move decisively toward the establishment of diplomatic infrastructure, including the opening of embassies. From our side, I wish to assure you of our full readiness and political will to establish our embassy in Israel and to support a permanent and effective Israeli diplomatic presence in Somaliland.
It's an honor to be in Hargeisa on this historic visit. Thank you, Mr. President, for your personal invitation and gracious hospitality. Over the past year, relations between Israel and Somaliland have taken shape. I want to thank you for your close partnership and visionary leadership. I also want to praise Prime Minister Netanyahu for his decision and leadership. Mr. President, it is an historic journey. I held meetings with you and your team. We had an ongoing and extensive dialogue for many months. The relations that we build are based on trust and mutual respect. Eventually, on December 26, Israel and Somaliland signed an historic agreement on mutual recognition and the establishment of full diplomatic relations. We agreed on the mutual appointment of ambassadors and the opening of embassies. We will get that done soon. We agreed to work together to promote relations between our countries for the sake of mutual prosperity. We want to build an enduring and warm friendship, not only between governments, also between the people of Somaliland and the people of Israel. Since December 26, we've seen an authentic joy on display in Somaliland and also in Israel. We are truly moved to play a part in Somaliland's bold journey from independence to recognition. Following my instruction, the Foreign Ministry is working hard to build our ties across a wide range of fields, economy, agriculture, and much more. We recognize that water supply is a key sector for Somalia.